Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, bro, what am I even doing with my life right now? Like days and weeks are passing, but you're not actually moving anywhere. If that's you, then listen, because this video might genuinely be the thing that flips your whole year. Let me start with a quick story. A few months ago, I had this week where I felt completely useless. My inner voice says to do something, but actually I didn't doing anything at all. I wasn't studying properly, I was procrastinating everything. Scrolling till 3 a.m., waking up tired, brain fog, zero focus, zero discipline. It felt like I wasn't myself anymore. But then I did something stupidly simple. A small challenge, just for 30 days. And I swear, those 30 days made me feel like a whole new person. Trust me, it'll worth it. Today, I want to give you that exact challenge. Do this, and in a month, people won't even recognize the way you think, work, or show up. Let's begin. Most of us live life like this. Wake up, grab phone, scroll, eat, scroll, procrastinate, panic, sleep, repeat. It's like we're not living. We're just reacting. So the first rule is simple. Break the autopilot. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't touch your phone for 30 minutes. Just sit, breathe, think. How do I want today to go? This one decision, this one moment of awareness gives you back control. Your mood and mindset shifts to do something good. It feels weirdly, but it is powerful. Because once you master the morning, your whole day starts listening to you.
For 30 days, I want you to give your brain 1 clean hour every day. 1 hour. No phone, no notifications, no music, nothing. Just deep work. It may be studying, reading, or journal. Just plan your day. Work on a skill. Just anything productive. But the rule is zero digital dopamine. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You think you're lazy. I thought that too, but you're not lazy. You're just overstimulated. Your brain is not tired of studying. It's tired of switching between 100 things every 5 minutes. Give it 1 hour of peace and watch suddenly how your focus comes back like magic. Whatever you feel stuck during the day, and trust me, you will, do this. Close your eyes. Inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds. Repeat for 10 minutes. Most people think, this is useless. My 10 minutes has just got wasted. For those guys, just imagine the amount of time you wasted through scrolling and binging. Just pause and calculate how much time you wasted today. Do you want to know another truth? Just a wake-up call. You are watching this video again in autopilot. Am I right? Anyway, if you do these things, this is like hitting the reset button in your mind. It kills anxiety, it destroys brain fog, it pulls you out of chaos. This 10-minute reset is the secret weapon of this challenge. You can do it between study sessions, after fights with your parents, when you lose focus, when you feel like giving up. Believe me, it works every time. If mornings decide your focus, nights decide your future. Before you sleep, I want you to do 2 things. Write down what you did today. Not paragraphs, just bullet points. And write down 3 things you will do tomorrow. This creates a loop. You wake up with direction, you go to sleep with clarity. Most people don't fail because they're stupid. They fail because every day feels the same, with no goals, no progress, no checkpoints. This system fixes that. And here's the best part. When you track yourself for 30 days, you see your growth. Even if it's small, it feels addictive. Out of everything you want to do, studying, gym, reading, skills, habits, choose one and go all in for 30 days. Not 5 things, not 10 things, just one. Because when you try to change everything, you change nothing. But when you focus on one thing, you transform. Want better grades? Choose studying. Want confidence? Choose speaking practice.
Go outside and explore. Want discipline? Choose morning routine. One thing, 30 days with full power. You'll be shocked how much momentum builds when you stop overwhelming yourself.
This part is the most important. Just remember, making plans is easy. Everybody can do it, but do it every day in the right way is what makes the change. For 30 days, don't just do the actions. Become the kind of person who does them. Tell yourself, I'm someone who respects my time. I'm someone who finishes what I start. I'm someone who shows up even on bad days. Because the moment your identity changes, your habits have no choice but to follow. You're not going to force discipline. You're going to live it.